Today, we are going to show you about the aluminum thickness. We will measure the aluminum thickness here. Okay, let's begin. There are three steps. The first step is heat the aluminum with alcohol lamp. And then use pliers to separate the aluminum from the plastic. Next, heat the aluminum with alcohol again. White paint. The last step is measure the aluminum thickness with special measuring instruments. So, we can see the data is 0.11. The data of the aluminum with dark gray paint is 0.15. 0.15. But true aluminum thickness is between 0.11. Okay, this video over.